Yo guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today maglalaro ako ng GTA Liberty City Stores. And sana magustuhan nyo itong video na ito, and let's go. By the way guys, nalaro ko ito nung since 2020 and better, never mind. Na lang, bahala na. Kasi nalaro ko siya guys 2020. Nalaro namin ng kuya ko. Ina, parating na. Taxi.
Hey, so there he is, huh? Hey. So listen, Tony, I know you did a good thing first. I know you've been lying low for a long time. So I want you to take it easy for a while, huh? Vincenzo will look after you. You need some money? Ask him. You need a job? Lucky he'll take care of you. What more could a family guy ask for? Even my son done got it so good.
But, Mr. Leone, I thought we got history. I mean, I've done a lot for this family. And now you're expecting me to take orders from this... Well, it just doesn't seem right.
Tony, I know what you did, and no one is more grateful than me, honestly. But the idea that you walk in here and start to question my leadership right away is, quite frankly, out of order. Capiche?
I understand, boss.
So when you need something, give Vincenzo a call down at Atlantic Key. He'll take care of you. Won't you, Lucky?
Of course, boss. Anything you say. Tell you what, we can go there now.
Okay. Let's go.
Got you a nice little place to stay, Tony.
Yep.
It's got you written all over it. We'll head there first.
You're all hard.
Tara na. Hinaan ko lang. Kasi yan, okay na. Perfect. Sabi, emergency. Na. Oops. Uy, sorry.
Challenge of travel, I'm Kristen.
This is it, Tony. Home sweet home. Beautiful, ain't she?
This shithole is supposed to be my home?
Oh, I think it's very you. Now you're disrespecting old Vincenzo. Now, tough guy, get your ass upstairs and go put on some decent clothes. I don't got all day, so move.
Gagi. Okay. You can change clothes at any time. Walk into the clothing to get chance to winner a chicken dinner. Ito na ba? Okay. Lang ha. So, this is it. Garage. Okay. And let's go.
Now take me to my place.
Wow.
On a discount adventure.
Sige.
Liberty City. This is
Sino nag-ano doon? Ay, ito ba yun?
This is Nabucco, chorus of the Hebrew slave.
Ang layo naman. Grabe ka. Magbabayad ka ha. Tandaan mo yan. Magbabayad ka. Bilisan niya. May emergency ako. Parang ewan ko. Sabi eh. Lampak eh. Punta nga ako sa bahay namin. Uy! Sorry! Sorry po. Walang ano. Oh! Lalong napahamak ko. Ah, sorry. Uy! Sorry!
Like a bitch.
Ba?
Come on, tough guy.
Gusto mo hindi kita anahin? Kainis ito ah. Bastos mo sa ano ah.
5 minutes.
Hindi mo ba alam yung matanda na yung uncle ko yun? Uncle Roger. What? Uncle Roger? Yan na. Oh.
Hey, apartments cost money, Tony. Just you
Yep.
remember who pays the bills around here. Me, Daddy Vincenzo over here. So from now on, you work for me. So I better see you back here real soon.
Okay. Sige.
Don't push me.
Tara. Gawin na natin yung mission. The mission is here. Destroying your life.
Fucking asshole. We got a deal working our North Chinatown patch. The lazy bastard ain't brought any cash in
What?
days. Maybe he needs some encouragement to get off his ass and do some work.
Kailangan...
Acting like a bitch. He kinda reminds me of you.
Okay.
What are you trying to say?
I ain't trying to say nothing. I'm telling you to get over there and make sure this asshole starts bringing in some goddamn money.
And this is the first mission of my whole life. O, kotse ko ito ha. Di ito ninakaw. Tandaan mo yan. Pulis ka. Where? Ba't yung patugtog? Wala ba yung ano? Yung nakaka-good vibes naman?
Liberty City
Ouch.
commuters have been dealt a hard blow
Sakit.
when transport workers across the city took industrial action in sympathy for beleaguered ferry
Pati ito,
workers
oo nga
whose
pala.
livelihoods are threatened by the construction of the new Porter Road Tunnel. Neither side in this battle seems keen to give any ground.
Shut up.
Union Chief
Protesters.
Jane Hock said
Gagi,
yesterday
bad
that
driver
she will
talaga
bring
ako.
the mayor to his knees before she's left. More later on LCN.
Sorry, I'm a bad driver. Tabi, may emergency lang. Okay. And then, nandito na tayo.
So, Vincenzo tells me you're too chicken shit to work your patch.
Hey man, I know chicken shit. I've been ill as all. I'll go back to work tomorrow. Maybe the day after.
Oh, I think you're gonna work today. Like it or not.
Hello, brother. Brother, papatayin na kita. Kasi, kailangan ko motor
Blame
mo.
my mother. I
Ano
do.
yan? Yes, sir. Tara na. Sakay na.
Oh man, I don't feel too good. I think I might have a fever or something.
Future Double is a cool double. Not only is his visual
Gagi itong motor nito. Distraction.
far into the future this double can see as it saw all the way to the end.
Listen, man, I
told Vinny already. China towns don't go for
Oo
the
na.
Leones now. This
Nag-crave ako, huwag mo ko
If I
istorbohin.
go back there, I'm a dead man.
Sure.
I'm telling you, man. The Sindaco's a dealing.
Tabi. Alam niyong may gadaan eh. Yan. Oh my god. Damn it. Another mission. For today. Is today. For today is today. Walang niya, ayaw ng ano. Mga patugtog dito. Video off.
I have a co-ed massage in 5 minutes.
Nakaka-copyrighted tayo pala.
Man, let's go.
I mean, ako pala. Nakaka-copyrighted pala ako. Sorry. And another mission. Dealing revenge. What is that?
Vinny!
For crying out loud, Tony! Don't I get any peace? I'm already all blocked up. Last thing I need is you on my case. But it's just still here. You know,
Oh,
still not seeing any money
gross.
coming in from that dealer. You know why?
Enlighten me.
Because he's dead, idiot. Some chump whacked him. Sindacos has started dealing.
Good.
The Leone Turk, too. You gonna accept that, Tony? I want you to get over to Chinatown.
All right, boss. I'm on it.
Oh, God, why is there never any goddamn paper in here?
Kadiri. Nagpupo.
I don't have time for this.
Motor namin to ha. Di ko ito ninakaw. Uy, syempre, kukunin ko yung motor mo. Akin lang yun ha. Pupusensya mo na ako.
Hurry up, I'm late for a swinging party.
I don't want, cause I need your motor. Bye-bye. Ganda ng motor mo eh.
Stay off Leone Tarp, asshole.
That this devil can communicate via train.
What's up?
Cool, but not that cool. Next
What's up?
Gonna beat
What's up?
you black and
What's up?
blue.
What's up? What's up?
Wanna say something?
Again. You don't know that. Ba, magaling ka mag-taekwondo ha.
You want some more, asshead?
Huling mo ah. Sino pa dyan? Sino pa dyan? Oy, ikaw. Tara. Nandito tayo.
Big mistake.
Ano?
One of these, pretty boy?
The Leone's dealing this city, nobody else. You hear me, you Sindaco fucks?
Ano yung pera? Ano yan? Malas ng ano? Buhay ng mga walang hining. Oy! Kupal! Dito ako mga kupal.
You wanna say
Ay,
something?
hindi yan! Ano? Lalaban ako. Hindi ka pala makapalag, no? Aba? Hindi pa ka pa? Bad boy. Bad boy. Isang mission na lang. Joke lang. Dalawang mission pala, sorry. Tabi! Whee! Ay po ni mas mali. Whee! Grabe! Woo! Sakto, dito na ako. May mission, may third mission. Tapos, ano?
Hey, remember JD O'Toole?
Difficult to forget.
He's currently running a Sindaco-controlled titty bar. I mean, gentleman's club.
Ano
The
yun?
interesting thing is, he wants to be a Leone now.
Oh,
Fuck him. He made his choice.
Hello, brain cell. Geez, Tony, Sal said you was dumb muscle, but I didn't think anyone was that dumb. We can use JD to get the drop on Sindaco's plans. He's gonna be up on the inside. There's just one thing. He's being sat on by some Sindaco ape. I want you to remove this little obstacle and get JD on our side. Capiche?
kabish. Kabush. Go to the local ammunition. Give me your motor. Radio off. Thank you. Sabi.
The boss ain't too happy.
Roger that. I'm going inside.
Says I got an Oedipus complex.
My hairstyle is 60%.
Out of stock. Grabe, sama. Busing ko yung pera ko. Hello. Papatayin sana kita. May shotgun kayo. Sabi. Ay, mali. Pero man ng kotse mo.
Take a stroll, my
Pumunta mo
friend.
eh. Wag, ganit. Lakad eh. Pagpasensya mo na ako.
No, hey, congratulations, Leia.
Life is here.
Take my scooter.
Ay nga pala, malapit lang pala ako sa ano.
Oh, you got a fucking problem? Huh?
You wanna say something?
Shut up. Lang sabihin sa inyo, walang hiya ko. Mga gang. Ang Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style? Gangnam Style. Oh my god. Yun. I know.
Hey, get
Fire.
out of here.
Fire. You wanna fight? Hmm? Ano niyo ito sa mukha niyo, mga walang dito eh. Do you have any money? Where are you? Ba? Tapang na ito ah. Ano?
Pretty boy.
Ano? Buwag na. I get the cell phone.
Grease. Tony, oh, you just gave me some great snuff footage.
JD, you saw that? You're filming me?
I was just, it's for my own use. I can't wait till we're on the same team.
Don't get too excited. You still owe me money.
Take that Sindaco chump's car's deposit, huh? Just respray it so no one recognizes him.
Okay.
I'll take care of his body.
Thank you. And kukunin
The boss ain't too happy.
die. Alis. Emergency. Oh, sorry. Sirahan ko. Isave ko itong ano. Shish! Yung ano, yung radio. Ayoko nang... Last mission. in my whole life. Si Jay naman. Lalagay ko sa... Oh my God! Lalagay ko ito sa ano? Sa garage. Baka ano?
You know what? Thanks. Interesting point of view. You big
Ganda ng kotse.
I mean, I ask, which comes the
Oh, shucks! Sorry.
Because it both taste nice after a cut. Pathetic. But since you asked,
Huwag mo na kayo makipag ano. Babarin ko kayo.
eyeball and perineum calzone.
Tabi!
Say a cow.
Inis!
Right now. Then take the eyeballs and the perineum and slice them up again.
Open.
Kill them out.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Last mission is here. Where's your... Sino yung kotse? Akin itong kotse nito. Pagpasensya mo na ako, bossing. Ay! Uy! 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 Lah! Sino yung motor? Ito ng motor. Ano ito? Ah! Sakit! Sabi nga kanya yung motor. Bye-bye! Kasi mabagal lang nga. Ay, yung motor mo na lang, bro. Pagpasensya mo na ako, ha. Emergency lang kasi. Kunin ko ito. Isang mission na lang. Shut up.
I ain't got no work for no Leone. Hey, Tony, come back when you're less conspicuous.
Wait, what? Ang arte naman ng ano yan. Ito lang, CV na lang. Ayos. Ano pa ako? Ay, syempre, kukunti yung motor nito. Bye-bye! Hit, 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 hit! Ay, sorry. Sorry, bossing. Kunin yan. Sorry po. Tabi. CV na lang. Vic Soto. Ay, putik. Master, boss tuloy. Ano pala? Mga boss, work.
Oh, it's you.
Yeah, how about that? It's me. What do you know?
I'll tell you what I know, tough guy. Some of our boys have screwed up a simple, no-brain fucking job. It's a cold, lousy bastards can't even pull off a simple
okay.
raid.
Can do that.
You wake up and to be bad for you. Maron, why am I surrounded by so many fucking idiots?
Oh, I don't know. Birds of a feather?
Oh, you're a fucking comedian. Well, laugh this up, wise guy. You're the one who's gonna clean this shit up for me. Now get over there and drag those morons back here.
Sakit nan. Sakit ng mission ito ah. Wait lang ah. Wala, ay, ito pala yung motor ko. Ay, nga pala kailangan ng apat na na seats para maligtas ko yung yung mga kaibigan ko. Tabi, may emergency. Tabi, may emergency. out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Emergency. Naku, huwag sila mamatay. Mahirap yan.
No matter what you call it, the old horse and bathtub gin still never ceases to go out. Alcohol is a solution in more ways than one. You can not only take the pain away in daily life, but also put it to
I'm a bad driver, but abe! Ay, gagi! Sabing tabi eh. Kulit mo eh. Ako malilate.
Still not come before. That ain't on. I've been bringing savages to God by the book or the sword, whatever works.
Bro.
Time for that
Bro.
match with Vincenzo.
Now,
Go, 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 go.
Alright, Tony.
Enjoy! Sino yung spray? Dito ako.
Lord shall smite you every Thursday night. Crystal night.
Tabi! Tabi! Alis! Kaya ko ito, kaya ko ito. Uy! 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 Gagi! Layo, 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 layo! Buti na ano ko, gagi. Grabe. Ito pa naman yung ano, nakakain sa lahat. Tayin ko lang muna yung mga ano, yung mga kaibigan ko sa ano. Minintayin ko mawala yung star muna.
Trying to pip here.
Wala kang star ka. Uy! Star! Yes, thank you so much.
Slow up in here.
Shut down. Ay! Gagi. Tapos...
Ano pa?
Safe mga bata natin. Kami yung bata ba yun no? Sabi! Parang alien yung mga driver ngayon eh. I mean, dito yung mga rider dito sa... Dito yun yung dito eh. Pak! Ano, kasalanan nyo yan. Kasi kayo nag-ano eh. Ayos eh. Yan na. Taas na. Yep. And uwi muna ako sa bahay dahil sasave ko ito. Alis. Busok na yung kotse ko. Walang hiya kayo. Kasalanan niyo ito. Sabi, makukulit yung mga kotse nito. Oops, oops. Kung makukulit kayo, babanukin kayo. Joke lang. Banukin? Babanukin? Grabe. Uy! Sama. Bahala nitong kotse nito. Iiwan ko na lang ito. Bye-bye car. Bahala ka manakawan. Nakawan lang itong kotse nito. Bahala nito.
Stepped on by Asa. Next is the Kieti double.
Sana yung ano? Yung save. Yun.
Cutting things. We see it cut up some weapons. What's interesting though,
Parang nag-update ito. For 100%.
actually,
Yung save data nag ano eh.
is
Or balo na nga. And
earlier
And yep, this is the end of the video for today. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless you and see ya. Bye. Whee!